Assalamualaikum, selamat siang. Saya Dr. Gigi Deliana, spesialis bedah mulut. Perkenalkan, ini suami saya.
Saya Ibrahim Simek from Turki.
Kami punya produk yang bagus, ide yang bagus untuk Indonesia, yaitu
We live in Indonesia. I'm in Turkish, but I see in Turkey is more than 20 years this Dipan, but Indonesia don't have. After married, I have to make this business, and we start this business 4.5 years ago. Very logical, local Dipan in room box, no any manfaat, mübacir. If have laci, okay, laci can put something, but laci has limit, and also if laci has need another space to for open, but our Dipan just open close. Full custom we make for this is meski. Is why is Turkey 20 years, more than 20 years. I don't know you know or not. In Turkey 20 years we use this dipan every home. 20 tahun standar semua rumah. Rich people, poor people, education, uneducated people use because very logical, very basic. If can comfort, no noise, you can put inside everything. Big helm. You couldn't put this helm to any laci.
No.
Impossible. You couldn't put laci, any luggage to is any laci. But this our 1, 2, 3, 4 helm and big helm. You can put also big luggage, big box. Very logical. Ukuran. We have many options. This single, warna ukuran tinggi, buka horizontal, buka vertical. This our double. Single become double. Single become double is connection to middle and more strong. In middle more strong. Can higher, more higher. Very logical, but people don't know. Our mission, we want to show for people our purpose, education purpose, can get just ganti dipan, you can get space.
Ruang bagasi.
You can explain a little bit Indonesia, what I explain.
Jadi tidak harus beli dipan baru. Dipan yang lama bisa dimodifikasi. Seandainya punya dipan bahannya jati, bisa dibuat di dalamnya ini bagasinya. Renovasi.
Many people live in apartment, local dipan, with children toys. Also, we have 3 options: full custom, new dipan. Second, if kayu çapara, bisa modification. Sebelum modifikasi, sesudah modification. But need survey. This is more cheaper because we not covered anything. This they buy before to is some market like this. We go and we clean inside. We put our box. Single become double. This type horizontal type. They buy the japara jetty like this. We make survey. We bring to our box. Single become double. If this is third option we have. If many apartment with laci full custom interior. If like this we put satu lagi dipan.
Di atasnya,
Atasnya
di atas,
ya. Dipan lama, dipan baru, atas kasur, special apartment unit.
Jadi dapat bagasi yang lebih luas, seperti 2 lemari.
We have Tokopedia, Shopee, all Instagram, Dipan Turki Berbagasi. Why Dipan Turki Berbagasi? Because dünya accept this Ottoman bed frame. If you open Google, you can search the Ottoman bed frame, you can see. We make to this Indonesian market, Dipan Turki Berbagasi. 3 years garancy, gratis ongkir jabat full custom. Single become double. Solusi ruang simpan masa depan. We offer all Indonesia, maukah kamu tidur dengan with our dipan.
Lebih people.
If you never see, you never know. We offer to all Indonesian people to who live Jakarta. Bangga buatan Indonesia.
We produce here.
95% local material, 5% import my country. What my main purpose, I want to make the local product because local product is more easy reach. Our toko showroom Ravasari Cempaka Putih Kompleks Perdagangan Ravasari Mas Blok B No 7 Jalan Percetakan Negara. This is 50 centimeter higher. This green vertical. This also can be lamp, bisa horizontal, king coil, all type, latex. We can do everything, all size, single, double. We offer to now to is less ganti dipan because kasur long life, sandaran long life, no need change. Just bisa.
Kasur, sandaran itu awet, nggak perlu diganti kalau nggak mau ganti. Yang penting dipannya sudah berbagasi.
Bisa kain finishing, bisa optical finishing, bisa apparel finishing, full custom.
Ini bahan-bahan kan full custom ya, bisa bahan Oscar, bisa pakai kain velvet, bisa pakai HPL, tergantung selera customernya.
If kasur busa, we have different hydraulic. If kasur latex, we have different
Kalau
hydraulic.
kasurnya busa kan ringan, hidroliknya itu beda berapa newtonnya nanti kita arrange ketika di rumah customer. Kalau dia latex itu kan berat, itu beda lagi hidroliknya.
We can give to guarantee in over ton, around ton, if we can be stay.
Ini sekitar 500 kilo beban kuat ini hidroliknya, beban 500 kilo kuat.
Very logical.
Ini sangat logik ya untuk rumah Indonesia yang banyak kecil-kecil, apartemen yang kecil dengan banyak anak-anak. Ini sangat logik dipakai ya. Bisa simpan barang, mainan anak-anak juga bisa di sini.
If front close to not open, can be close to horizontal.
Kalau tempatnya sempit nggak bisa dari gerak buka vertikal, bisa bagian buka samping ya, horizontal.
Proudly made in Indonesia. Proudly
Bangga buatan Indonesia.
This is our 4th anniversary.
Sudah 4 tahun.
We
Sudah 4
offer
tahun
to,
usaha
for
ini.
people, if you never see, you never know. If you know, is this share your family, your friend, experience bahasa itu share to our family.
Ini tolong di-share ke saudara-saudaranya, ke teman-teman, ke keluarga. Siapa tahu mereka butuh.
Bangga buatan Indonesia. Dipan Turki Berbagasi.